How to show or hide mods and routines on apps screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down. And in here, tap on mods and routines. So here it is. Then tap on the more button. From the pop-up, tap on settings. Now in here, tap on show mods and routines on apps screen. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. If we turn it on, you can see that if I go to my app screen, I can now access mods and routines. And if I switch it off, then it will not be available in the apps screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.